Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake using milkshake powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: milkshake powder, milk, and your favorite ice cream. A good quality blender is crucial for achieving that perfect, creamy texture. Always measure your ingredients accurately. This ensures the best flavor and consistency for your delicious treat. It's a simple process that yields fantastic results every time. Now, let's get blending. Start by pouring about 1/2 cup of cold milk into your blender. Next, add 2 generous scoops of your chosen milkshake powder. Then, incorporate 3 scoops of your favorite ice cream. Secure the lid and blend on high for approximately 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. Want to elevate your milkshake? Consider adding 1/4 cup of fresh fruit, like berries, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup for an extra flavor kick. A small dash of vanilla extract can also enhance the overall sweetness and aroma. Finally, for that classic milkshake experience, top it off with a swirl of whipped cream and some colorful sprinkles. Enjoy your personalized creation. If your milkshake is too thick, add a little more milk, about 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time, until it reaches your preferred consistency. For a colder, richer shake without diluting the flavor, try using frozen fruit instead of ice. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after your milkshake adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.